Welcome to Godrej Air here in Gurugram. I am Pradeep and I'll be giving you a tour of our project today. To start off, let me tell you a little bit about Godrej Properties as a brand. Godrej Properties combines a 123 years old legacy of trust with their commitment to cutting-edge design and technology. We are currently present in 12 cities across the country and have 13 ongoing projects in NCR. Godrej Air is located in Sector 85 of Gurugram, which is strategically located between Manesar and Delhi with direct connectivity to NH48. It is also connected by 3 main corridors, which ensures easy accessibility to any point of the NCR. Currently in this region, 15,000 plus families are residing. Godrej Air is also conveniently located near to hotels, prominent school, retail, office spaces, hospital and much more. Sector 88 is one of the biggest upcoming commercial sector which is walk-in distance from our project. Amex also intends to set up first of its kind facility in Sector 74A near Southern Peripheral Road, which would be developed over the next few years. As the name suggests, Godrej Air is based on the concept of fresh air. We will be providing a CTFA unit in every apartment. CTFA or centrally treated fresh air is a cutting-edge air purification system at Godrej Air. In simple terms, CTFA is a centralized air purification system which runs through the entire home and is well hidden from your view. It does its job silently and helps remove stale air, controls carbon dioxide, and eliminates harmful germs. A unique thing is that it traps harmful bacteria and doesn't allow them to breed again. CTFA purifies air and gives you a home that is fresh, clean, and pollutant free. To come to the Godrej Air specifically, this project has a land parcel of 4.064 hectares with 5 towers. There are 5 standalone towers consisting of 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus utility and 4 BHK plus utility respectively. Tower A1, A2 and A4 are ground plus 24 structures. Tower A3 is ground plus 19 structures. Tower A5 is ground plus 32 structures. All the towers comes with 4 to a core homes. With 511 units only, Godrej Air is a very low density project with 51 families per acre. The project has 85% open and green areas. Each tower has a double heighted lobby with auxiliary zone. Some of the prominent amenities includes fragrance garden, kinetic sculpture, outdoor sports like badminton court, half basketball court, skating ring, and an oxygen-rich zone along the jogging track, to name a few. We also have a concept of vertical garden on every tower entry and club entry lobbies, and also on the outer facade, which helps to keep the air inside the premises fresh. With 7 retail shops and a nursery school, it helps the customer to find whatever they need at a walk-in distance. We also have a 2,150 square meters grand clubhouse. This comes with several recreational, convenience and other indulgent activities. The club has a low chlorine swimming pool which reduces the risk of any kind of infection. It also has a state-of-the-art fitness arena. The club has several amenities like indoor badminton court, squash court, cards room, kids play area and indoor games facility. A professionally run crash, restaurant, spa and saloon, library and a health cafe. It also has a mini movie theatre for the residences. The club will be managed by branded partners. Let me now take you to a tour of our 4 BHK plus utility apartment. It has a total area of 181.22 square meter. The apartment is available in Tower A2 and A4. The entrance of the apartment is through the foyer. After walking through the foyer, we enter into this L-shaped dining and living area, which is very spacious. This has got imported marble flooring. The living area is also attached with a massive balcony which is overlooking the center greens, club air and the swimming pool. All the balconies has got anti-skid ceramic tiles in the flooring. Opposite to the entrance and adjacent to the living room, this is your first guest bedroom. The great thing about this room is that it has got its own balcony which is overlooking the center greens, the club air and the swimming pool. Moving ahead into the apartment, there is a store room which is only available in 4 BHK plus utility apartment. It can be used as a puja room or even a storage space. Adjacent to the dining area, there is a kitchen. It is a spacious U-shaped kitchen which is fitted with a sink and a granite slab. There is also a utility room adjacent to the kitchen utility balcony. Utility washroom also has anti-skid ceramic tiles. The utility room also has a separate entry from the outside so that it can be used by a servant. This utility room can also be used for the purpose of work from home. The entrance of the second bedroom is through a living area. This can be a children's bedroom. This is the children's room and this too has a long running balcony attached to the living and dining room balcony. The room is very spacious and a study table can be placed along with the bed for your kids. It has wooden laminated flooring like in all the bedrooms. Right opposite the children's room, this is the third bedroom which can also be used as a guest bedroom. It has a spacious bathroom with light sensor. Finally, at the end of this apartment, this is your master suite. You also have your own walk-in closet. It has a spacious washroom with light sensors. The bedroom is attached with a king-size balcony overlooking the center green, the swimming pool and club air. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. Reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries and we will resolve it for you. We are happy to welcome you soon at Godrej Air. Breathe easy.